Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kana and I am gonna do like an intro plus update for the, as you can see by the title, American Panning Story. This is a project that is inspired by American Horror Story, which I love. So we're gonna do that. This is a project that was created by Kayla and it is a Fantastic Ladies collab. I will leave all of that linked down below. And let's see, we basically have prompts for each season. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in 6 items for each season. That is how many prompts there are. And I'm gonna work on them all year and we'll see what we have left at the end. Anything that I put in here is gonna be to finish. I wanna finish all of these items. That is the kind of project this is for me. I'm really trying to get through things this year, so that's what we're doing. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I will introduce you to the project. I will introduce you to the products I have, and I will let you know that I am posting late. So this is gonna be 2 months worth of things here. So that, so it's gonna be the first 2 seasons. So for the first prompt, we have Murder House. It's for the Murder House season. That is the first season, and the first prompt is generally the season. So this is Murder House. It's a product you have a history with or has sentimental value to you. So for that, I'm gonna use this Linda Hallberg Fantastic in Goldstone. This is something that I have like sentimental value with because Alexi gave it to me. She's a friend of mine here on YouTube that started the Pan Those Eyeshadows. So that's who gave me that. Next prompt is Tate Langdon, a product you had good first impressions of, but ended up not working out. He seemed like a good guy at the start of the season, but then throughout the rest of the season, you learned all of the awful things he did. Maybe I shouldn't be telling you that. So for that, I'm gonna put in this Pat McGrath lipstick in Flesh 3. It's just a little mini, but the reason I'm putting this in here is because you could see like, they are notorious for this like weird wax bloom. Let me see if I get more light in here. But yeah, it's kind of weird looking. It's still fine, but I do want to finish this up and get it out of here. Okay. Next is Ghost, a ghostly product, white in packaging or the product itself. For that, I'm gonna bring in the Tatcha Silk Peony Eye Cream right here. And that is how much I have. I really wanna finish that. So there's that guy. Next, the prompt is Pregnancy, a product that makes your skin glow. For that, I'm gonna go with this Glam Glow Glow Starter. Lighting is not great in here, guys, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Here is where I am. Not bad. Little gimme product. So I'm gonna pop that in here, finish that off. Next, the Montgomery family, Charles, Nora, and Thaddeus. So for that, you can pick one of the members of the family or all 3 to pan a product for. But what I did is I went ahead and chose to pick one product that matches all 3 of the characteristics. So it is Nora, a product you'd wear on a no makeup day. Charles, a new product in your collection that you're still testing out. And Thaddeus, a product you felt you just had to have. So something that fits all of those categories is this House Lab by Lady Gaga. It is the PhD Hybrid Lip Oil here. brand new. So obviously still testing that out because I haven't even used it yet. And that is what that looks like. So looking forward to using that. And the sixth prompt for the Murder House category is Moira O'Hara, a product from a woman-owned brand. So for that, I'm choosing this Melt Cosmetics lipstick in Tomboy. I love this shade so much, but I really need to finish it. It's getting old in my collection. But of course, this is Laura Ariano and Dina Bomar own this company. Definitely a woman-owned brand. So there is Murder House. So let's go ahead and move on to the second season, which is Asylum. The first prompt for Asylum is a product that makes you lose your mind, either in delight or in frustration. I picked this Bushy Brow from Lime Crime. It is, oh, this isn't it. Damn it. I got the wrong product. Give me a second. And I'm back. I'm sure you can see how I could be confused. They are very similar looking, but this is in Sea Witch. This is the one, has a spoolie and it has that teardrop shape at the other side, which I love the color, but I have trouble mastering these, so I figured let's use it up. There's quite a bit left in here, so we'll see how far we can get. That guy can go right there. Okay, and the next thing, oh, did I mention this is for the season Asylum, which is one of my absolute favorites. It's phenomenal. Okay, so that's for Asylum. The next prompt is Sister Mary Eunice, a holy grail product or a product that gives you trouble in some way. You can do one product per prompt or one for both. So I decided to pick something that is like a holy grail product category, but this particular shade is something I'm kind of working to get used to. So for that, I'm using this Melt Cosmetics. It's a cream blush in the shade Lynx. And the shade is the issue because it's very shiny. So I'm gonna work with this and see how I feel about it. It's just a little different. We'll see if I can get some looks in with it and show you guys what that looks like on my face. Okay, the third prompt is Bloody Face, which is Oliver Thredson, and that is going to be a product that your mom loves, gifted to you or recommended to you because of his mommy issues. I decided to go with this Arctic Fox Space Cowgirl hair dye. This is one of the 8-ounce bottles. I want to finish that. My mom took me when I was 14 to get my hair colored for the first time, and I never stopped. She is no longer around to gift me things, so that is the best I could do. So yeah, there we go. Next is for alien abductions. You don't know what abducted you to buy the product in the first place. For that, I'm gonna bring in this Cocoage. It's a cuticle oil pen. So let's see there. But I'm gonna be using that. It's one of those, they got me at one of those kiosks in the mall. I happen to like Cocoage, so they were able to get me to buy that in a little kit that I have for manicures. So I'm gonna pan that. Next is Exposed, a product you want killed off. Lana wanted to expose Briarcliff and shut it down. That is the Asylum. So for that, I'm gonna bring in this Olaplex number 6. It is less than half full. And I just wanna use this up. I've had it for long enough. It's the Bond Smoothing Lotion, but I want to use that up because, I don't know, just the whole thing with Olaplex. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. I'm still using it. It's fine. I've never had any problems with my hair, but I'm probably going to take a little break for now after I use that up. I have other products that I'm working on from them, but anyway, there's that. Lastly is going to be this little guy. It is for Dr. Arthur Arden Hans Grouper, a product from a skincare brand that is dermatologist tested, recommended. You get it, a doctor. So I'm picking up this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Let's see, there we go. Is this a gimme? Yes. Am I okay with that? Indeed I am. So I'm gonna pop that in here as well. Okay. Can't see everything, there we go. So, there you have it. We have Murder House, we have Asylum. I'm gonna be using all of these, and the next time we update, I will show you how I'm doing on these guys. I will share my progress with you on these, and then we will talk about the next 6 items I'm bringing in for season Coven, which is another one of my favorites. So there's that. Anyway, that's all I have for you for this intro. I will see you next month with the update. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.